To fix Venmo not letting you select a payment method, start by checking your internet connection. Ensure your device is connected to a stable and working internet network. If your connection is unstable, try restarting your router or switching to a different network. Next, check if the Venmo app is up to date. Open the App Store on your device. Search for Venmo, and check if there are any available updates. If an update is available, download and install it, then try selecting a payment method again. Another possible cause is that your payment method is not verified or has expired. Open the Venmo app, go to the Payment Methods section, and check if your payment method is listed. If it is not listed, add it and verify it according to the instructions provided by Venmo. If your payment method is listed but has expired, update the expiration date or remove and re-add the payment method. Additionally, check if you have reached the daily spending limit on your Venmo account. If you have reached the limit, you will not be able to select a payment method. Try waiting until the next day or increasing your spending limit by verifying your identity. It is also possible that the issue is caused by a bug in the Venmo app. Try closing and reopening the app, or uninstalling and reinstalling it. This can often resolve issues caused by temporary bugs or glitches. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, try contacting Venmo customer support. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide additional guidance on how to fix it. You can contact Venmo support through the app or by visiting their website. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue with Venmo not letting you select a payment method. Remember to always keep your payment methods up to date and verified, and to contact Venmo support if you need additional assistance.